What is your name and where do you stay?
My name is Hetal Mehta and I stay in Matunga Central here.
Okay. What is your child's age?
I have two kids. One is a son named Kavit, and his age when I got an admission here, he was 3 years old. And I took his admission for play school. And last year, my daughter was there, and her age was quarter to 3, and she was there for nursery here.
Okay. What type of play school were you looking for them?
Basically, I wanted them to be, very this thing about language, like how they. I'm a Gujarati, so generally at home people at our place we speak Gujarati. So I really wanted them to speak English and get to know about the language. And yeah, securely, how they are secure over here, and activity, how much they can write and all that. All general, how parents look for that. I also consider that one.
Okay. So before joining Little Hearts Play School, did you consider any other play schools?
Not really, because I had heard lot about this school, and when I personally came to meet the teacher, so she was like very much. Explanation, her idea towards the school and whatever she explained, I was thoroughly convinced. So not really I have gone anywhere to search for other school.
Okay. So based on your experience, two good things you really liked about Little Hearts?
I can't say only two. There are more than I can say 4-5 things. One is the personal attention to the kids. Secondly, she inculcate all the, religion thing, language thing, every single thing. She make it a point that she teaches a kid. Like they do the prayer before snacks, and the idea about her, bringing parent snacks, so that if kids are not eating few things at home, they will learn here to eat everything. So that thing I love the most about this school. Then the second thing is teachers. Teachers are very loving. I have never seen them scolding or being very strict about something or very disciplined about. They, by playway method, they teach child discipline and manners and everything. Second, then the third thing is the field trips which she takes. I mean, they take them to fire station, they take them to the garden, then bakers, and then at Ganpati festival, they really took them to the workshop of Ganpati. So my daughter at the age of 3, she was able to tell me so many things about Ganpati idol, not being, just Ganpati, God is there and doing magic things and all that stuff. No, she really understand that it is made up out of sand and like all that stuff. So yeah, really, it is really very, I was very impressed with the thing that they are teaching them, very practical knowledge they are giving. Yeah, there are many more things. Picnics, like they have open bus. That's the markable thing of Little Hearts, that they have open bus Christmas party. So kids love this, and even parents, because parents accompany them. So picnics, everything is very good about it. Yeah.
Okay. Can they do anything better?
Not really. I mean, they are on the ground level, they are doing very well. The school is not too high fundu, nor it is too low level. They are doing absolutely up to the mark thing, I feel. And whatever I have experienced from my past, say around 5-6 years experience, I feel they are improving themselves, improving so much that there is no need any parent to come and personally come and mention anything that please you do that or do that. No, nothing. I don't think.
Okay, so last question from the scale of 1 to 5. How do you rate Little Hearts for other parents?
Excellent. I think 1 to 5 will be very less. It's excellent. I mean, when your child comes out of the school, they are very much informed. They are very much knowledgeable. I'll tell you my experience at the age of 3, my daughter, when she performed a drama in annual day, I had a tear in my eyes because she was talking so fluently in English. she was performing a drama, really a drama about say around 10 sentences she said, and she knew what she was telling. So the yoga thing, annual day is superb. So yeah, if I'll keep on talking about Little Hearts, so I think yeah, the 1 to 5 rating it will be too less. You give 10 to Little Hearts.